In every dynamic city across the Asia-Pacific, behind every breakthrough in visual experience, there lies a trusted partnership. Absent. We're not just LED display experts, we're your local service partner who truly understands the region. From India's premier cricket league to international events in Singapore and industry summits in Tokyo, Absen's local teams across the Asia-Pacific region ensure every flawless delivery with round-the-clock professional support. Beyond events and exhibitions, in business hubs, television stations, international conference venues, Absen's local service network has extended into key scenarios across the Asia-Pacific region. With swift, at-your-side responsiveness, we provide reliable assurance for our clients. We don't just sell screens, we deliver service. With swift response and professional support, the Absent Asia-Pacific local team stands as your most reliable partner.
저희가 아직까지 정확하게 평가를 한다기보다는 한국 시장의 특징이 있어요. 한국 시장의 특징은 서비스에 대해서 굉장히 소비자들이 중요하게 생각하는 시장이다 보니까 서비스가 안 되는 제품들은 소비자들의 외면을 받거든요. 근데 앱스는 저희하고 진행을 하면서 서비스에 관련된 부분들은 항상 빠르게 대응을 해주고 그 전문가적인 모습을 많이 보여줘서 서비스 퀄리티가 굉장히 좋다라고 생각하고 있습니다. 오히려 저희가 삼성전자나 LG전자보다 앱슨의 서비스가 훨씬 더 좋았다고 평가를 내리고 있습니다.
From Southeast Asia to South Asia, from Japan to Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan, Absent has taken root in the Asia-Pacific through localized services, empowering local markets with global strength. We firmly believe that your success is our success. Moving forward, we will continue to stand with the Asia-Pacific, collaborating to illuminate more possibilities.